Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Now we are from Group 6 are going to present our quality management system assignment 2 which is about Industry 4.0. So Industry 4.0 is the evolution to cyber physical system, representing the fourth industrial revolution on the road to end-to-end value chain with industrial IoT and decentralized intelligence in manufacturing, production, logistics, and the industry. So what is the Industry 4.0? Now, my group members are going to present about Internet of Things. Starting with me, Anis NADHIRAH binti Majid. Second, NURIN QASHRINA binti HAZRAN. Third, FATIN FATHIAH binti RASDIN. Next is SHAHIRAH binti HELLMY. And the last one is Miza binti RAZAK. So now we are going to start with our introduction of our assignment 2, which is Internet of Things.
Okay, the first objective of this assignment is to study and representing representing the Internet of Things application, and second objective is to describe the journey of Industry 4.0 with industrial IoT in manufacturing, production, logistics, and industry. Okay, now we proceed to introduction. Okay, Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution. The first revolution in industry was with the use of steam power and water power. Next, the second industrial revolution is factory-made assembly line using electricity. This was followed by the third industrial revolution with the use of electronic. Okay, now is the fourth industrial revolution with cyber physical system. Industry 4.0 is a development in the manufacturing industry, such as the increase toward automation and data exchange in technology and process. Industry 4.0 was publicly known in 2011, and at the time, Germany had one of the most competitive industries in the world. Industry 4.0 began to become popular in many countries since Germany announced Industry 4.0 is a major strategic initiative in technology. In Industry 4.0, computers can communicate with each other without the involving of humans. So the Internet of Things is one of the smarter aspects in Industry 4.0 that make the smart factory. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a technology used in industry to connect devices with the Internet, installation with sensor, software, and other technologies. The Internet of Things was first discussed in 1982 when a vending machine connected to the Internet was installed at Carnegie Mellon University. Okay, now we proceed to the methodology.
Okay, the use of automation and data exchange in manufacturing is referred to as Industry 4.0. Every new project requires the project teams to adhere to a methodology that allows them to satisfy the user and work with a peace of mind. With its unique features, the industrial Internet of Things is causing massive disruption in industrial applications. IoT is responsible for the lightning fast evolution for Industry 4.0, in which everything is connected via a common network and operations are mostly automated, removing the need for much human intervention. Real data monitoring improves the decision making and predictability, help reduce the likelihood of future hazards in the industry, as well as asset management for future workability. So, this is the main stage of IoT and Industry 4.0 evolution, which is it start with getting things connected, then generating insight. So third, optimizing operation and process, and lastly, innovation. So the summary is the primary goal of IoT is to make everything smart, whether it is a home or a building, healthcare or a factory. So that's all. So let's move to the literature review.
Okay. For the literature review, based on the article entitled Internet of Things is a Revolutionary Approach for Future Technology Enhancement, written by Sachin Kumari, Prayat Tiwari, and Mikael Zimler. They make a research on the persons that active on IoT industry. For example, Kajan Nasiri. He conducted a survey on IoT technologies for smart energy control in order to benefit smart city application. They note that IoT is currently being used in only a few application areas to benefit both technology and humans. So the scope of IoT is quite broad, and IoT will be able to encompass practically all application areas in the near future. He stated that energy conservation is a vital aspect for civilization and that IoT may aid in the development of a smart energy control system that would save both energy and money. Kajana Siri also mentioned that one of the most difficult aspects in doing this is immaturity of IoT hardware and software. Next person is Alavi. He examined the topic of urbanization in cities. The transfers of people from rural to urban environments resulted in an increase in the population of cities. As a result, smart solutions for mobility, energy, healthcare, and infrastructure are required. One of the most significant application areas for IoT developers is smart cities. It delves at a variety of topics, including traffic management, air quality management, public safety solution, smart parking, smart lighting, and smart trash collection. Alavi stated that IoT is working hard to address these difficulties. With increasing urbanization, there is greater demand for enhanced smart city infrastructure, which has created opportunities for entrepreneurs out there working on smart city technology. And the last person is here. He discovered a security flaw in an IP-based IoT system. He stated that the internet serves as a backbone for communication among the devices in an IoT system. As a result, security vulnerabilities in IP-based IoT systems are a major concern. Furthermore, the security architecture should be created with the life cycle and capabilities of each object in IoT system in mind. It also incorporates the participation of a trustworthy third party and security standard. And the last one, he stated that it is extremely desired to have a security architecture with scalability potential to support small scale to large scale items in IoT. So next, we move to the next part.
Okay, so for the results, as the result of revolutions of IoT, it has given an impact to several industrial fields, such as in manufacturing, the most new revolutions is Industrial 4.0 movement. In agriculture industry, the device such as a farm monitor system helps farmers to monitor their farm without presence of a human. In the industrial of energy, the applications such as smart meter enable more granular recording of energy consumption. In home automations and home automation and smart house, IoT devices such as Apple TV, KickSet, smart lock, and many more were used, which can change the lifestyle of the owner of the house. And in a cryptocurrency, technologies such as blockchain allow traceables and immutables ledger of transactions. This helps to provide ideal number of use cases and with the foresaid supply chain management.
Right, next we are going to discuss about few factors for benefit of IoT application. First is manufacturing. Industrial 4.0 smart factory works in real-time data to boost productivity and output and increasing the efficiency. Organizations are utilizing wearable technology and artificial intelligence to go one step further. Next sector is agriculture, farm monitoring system and resources monitoring system, which is it can estimate water accurately, calculating the best planting timing, and temperature and moisture level in the soil are measured. Next sectors is energy, which is smart meter that can sending reading automatically, detects accurate bills, and increase awareness of energy use. Lastly is home-based application, smart home. All of home gadgets may be controlled from a single location. New device and appliance flexibility, and it boosts the safety of our home.
Next is a conclusion. So for the conclusion, as a conclusion, IoT allows the data to be transferred over the network without needs of human involvement in the process. Impact towards several industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, energy, home-based applications, and many more. IoT also helps to obtain a lot of data and which can be obtained much faster and efficient. IoT also can produce an intelligent device that could produce an output that can collect and sharing data through internet. IoT is possible because it access to low cost and low power sensor technology, cloud computing platform, its connectivity, and machine learning and analytics. A lot of required information obtained effortlessly, which makes the IoT, which makes the industry more advanced and beneficial for all. So that's all from us. Thank you.